Hello, welcome to Blue Eagle Academy. This is Mr. Howe, and the document you're looking at here is called the Module Action Plan, and it'll list out the activities, expectations, assignments for each given day of the week within the module. So whether you're in person, remote, hybrid, regardless, it's going to show you what is going up in Canvas, what the assignment is, what you should be doing at a given time throughout the module. So you see here, Session A, this week, our first week for spring of 21, January 25th to 29th. We didn't have a Monday, obviously. So Session A will be either Tuesday or Wednesday this week. And you'll see here we have Session A, B, and C typically. This week we won't have a Session C, which also known as Friday most weeks, because we didn't have a Monday. And so that shifts everything forward. So Session A, Tuesday or Wednesday, three things went up. Lesson 1.1. which is covers Project Blue Eagle. Part of this class is introduction to the program itself, and so that lesson is going to take you through the program, talk about the different career paths and the different courses you can take, just to make you aware of those. And there are two assignments to go along with that. There's the 1.1 review, which is a Canvas type quiz setup. It's not an actual quiz, but that's how it's going to look: multiple choice, true, false. And you can take that review as many times as you want, and it's going to record your highest score. And that's how all of our reviews will be in this class. So you can always retake those if you need to. And then 1.1 activity is going to ask you to kind of play around with courses that are available in Blue Eagle in your schedule. And just ask you to, if you were going to assemble a schedule for the next year or two, depending on what grade you're in, what might that look like? You know, based on the classes you learn about, which ones would you be interested in taking? And just kind of mock that up and then turn that in. And that's 1.1 activity. Lesson 2 is going to go into the syllabus for Blue Eagle Academy. So we'll kind of focus on this class itself and what the expectations are, what the elements are. And so that's that, and then the review that goes along with that. So you can use that syllabus to take the review. It's pretty short, so just use the syllabus as you go through it, answer the questions in the review. And then lesson 3 is going to introduce you to FEMA. If you're not familiar with FEMA, you'll see that in lesson 3 and learn a little bit about it there. And it's going to ask you to go to the FEMA website, and it'll provide the links for this, and obtain your FEMA SID number. And that's just a student ID number through the FEMA agency. And that number is going to allow you to take several important certification exams throughout this course and far beyond. If you decide to pursue public safety as a career field, you'll be using your SID number quite a bit in the future and coming years. So that's why we're going to get that number. And you'll turn that number in through the 1.3 activity assignment. So you'll just get that number and paste it in there and turn it in. And again, all the instructions for these lessons are in Canvas in Module 1, so you can get a little bit more information there on this. But just wanted to run through that with you here on this video, and so you know what to do, whether you're, again, in person or remote. So if at any time you guys have questions, don't hesitate to email me. It's justinhowe@smsd.org, and I'd be happy to answer your questions over email, or if we need to set up a WebEx meeting, we can sure do that too. So talk to you soon.